So here we are, we're at the drive-in cinema at Goodwood. Yeah, see how it goes. How's it going in here?
Eating pizza. They're good. Cheers!
I love you until my die. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
We're going on a boat.
Yeah. Where are we going?
To the beach.
To the Isle of Wight.
I want to know. Nobody can see me.
I think you're right.
Here we are at the Elephant Boatyard, home of Howard's Way. So where are you kids off to?
Look at Groot. But this one's Groot.
Oh,
It's tiny. They've been riding it. We're going to see another boat. That's theirs. They have 3 boats.
oh. You don't want to go on this boat? Well, that's a bit unfortunate.
That's the pop.
And we're off.
You have to bring your life jacket if you come up here, Maya.
Now we're on our way.
Yeah.
Exciting.
Yeah. Look.
Ready? Don't hang off there.
We're moving.
Maya steering the boat. Captain Tim. So we're going right round up there somewhere. Bye everyone! There's Tim and the kids coming in. Not very deep, we're low tide now.
Don't let go of it.
Back to the beach. Oh, they've gone past us, they've missed us.
Oh, yeah.
You're on your own, lady. Come on, don't be silly.
Ready, just be careful, you're going to get hit by the paddle.
This looks like it's going to end up well. Is it nicely kind of boat?
Yeah. 8, 9.
So boys, how's the fishing going?
You got one? Wait, you got one?
Maya, how's the fishing going?
Good, I just haven't got any fish yet.
Not yet. Okay. Hopefully it won't be long, eh?
Ben?
Do you think the crabs are going to eat the fish?
No, the fish will get away.
Cool.
They've already got 2 cups in one
Oh, here we go, there's one of mine.
Hit it.
Grab fish. One fish.
Whoa, yeah, got it.
Wow.
So it's 8 o'clock on Sunday morning. We're still over in Bembridge, but we're going to sail back today, this morning. Probably leave about 10:30, I think. We've had a lovely day and a half here. So it has been pretty good. So it's been nice. Morning, Dips. How are we this morning?
Slightly tired and hazy.
You sleep well?
Yeah, passed out. If you call that sleeping, then I do.
We're leaving Bembridge, sail back to the mainland.
You're missing out on the world view, guy.
We're leaving. That's the beach we were sat on yesterday. You sailing the boat? So here we are back in Basildon. How's your first sailing trip been, Dibs?
Oh, actually, it was fabulous. I wasn't sick.
Well, that's a bonus.
That's a bonus. Kids got on really well. We had a great sail back. Drank lots of wine, ate lots of food, which is what holiday is all about.
Sorry about the noise. That was Beth.
Crikey.
That was Beth.
Hello, hello. Hi.
Scrunching up a crisp packet.
Well, we've had a lovely time with you guys coming to join us on Yacht Marguerite. And hopefully you'll come again. We haven't put you off sailing, I hope.
Yeah. So, well, I will.
We're thinking sunnier climates. I think Caribbean might be a nice option. Yeah. Or no, Croatia first.
Yeah. Yeah. If you can get the boat there, and
Yes.
we'll just fly down.
Next stop.